Today we're going to solve the equation 12 equals 3 times e to the x. Our goal is to solve for x and round to the nearest tenth. Let's break it down step by step. First, we want to isolate the exponential part of the equation. To do that, we divide both sides by 3. Now we have 4 equals e to the x. At this point, we need to undo the exponential. Since e to the x is the inverse of the natural logarithm, we'll take the natural log of both sides. That means natural logarithm of 4 is equal to the natural logarithm of e to the power of x. Using the properties of logarithms, specifically the power rule, we can simplify natural logarithm of e to the power of x as x times natural logarithm of e. And since natural logarithm of e is just 1, this becomes x. So now we have natural logarithm of 4 equals x. We'll use a calculator to find natural logarithm of 4. It's about 1.386. So, rounding to the nearest tenth, x equals 1.4. And that's our final answer. X is equal to 1.4. Ready to crush the ACT? Achievable includes everything you need to get a top score. With Achievable, you get a personalized AI-driven study plan, short, engaging lessons, and realistic practice questions that adapt to your progress. It's everything you need, streamlined, effective, and adapts to your needs. Tens of thousands of people have trusted Achievable to boost their scores, and now it's your turn. Start your free trial today at achievable.me. Follow the link below in the description to get started.